guys, I'm back with another video. The last video I made was a setup tour. This video we're going to be reviewing this Five Below keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard. We're going to be reviewing it. I'm going to tell you guys if you should buy it or not. So yeah, let's get into it. So, brand is Bass Jacks, if you don't know. It is a membrane keyboard, if you guys didn't know that, just so you don't think there's like switches, but yeah, let's open it. Alright guys, so we're opening it right now. It's kind of hard to open with like this thing out. And yeah guys, I already opened it a little bit to check it out. But this is the first time y'all are seeing this. This is what it looks like. So, yeah. The keyboard looks like, pretty cool. So yeah, let's take the wire off of it now. Alright, so yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a membrane keyboard, if you couldn't tell. But it looks like there's no switches like a mechanical keyboard like that, but it still looks decent in my opinion. I got this for 10 bucks. For 10 bucks, I think this looks like a pretty decent keyboard. Quick ASMR. It looks like when it's lit up. That's what it looks like when it's lit up. You can't really change the colors. This is how it stays. But for $10, this is a really nice keyboard. So now we're gonna test it out in Fortnite. So let's get into it. Guys, this is a sound test between the membrane keyboard and the mechanical keyboard. As you guys can tell, the membrane keyboards are much quieter, so if you're into a quieter keyboard, this keyboard's probably for you. Alright, so guys, I'm playing Fortnite right here, and as you can tell, my builds are very fluent. Now, I am lagging a little bit here, but other than the lag, my builds are very fluent with this keyboard, and that is why I recommend it to all of you. Now, I do mess up on some of my builds, but my builds are very fluent with this keyboard, and the reaction time is very good. So yeah, as you can tell, this keyboard's working really well for me in Fortnite, and if you're trying to get into gaming, I really recommend this keyboard. Alright, so guys, for $10, I would confidently say that this keyboard is 100% worth it. This keyboard right here was $120. It's a Razer Huntsman Mini. Got at GameStop. This keyboard is $10. Now, I would still, if you're trying to get big into gaming, recommend a good keyboard, like a really good keyboard like this. But if you're trying to go on the budget, this keyboard is not a bad option whatsoever. I would give this an 8 out of 10. Definitely it's a decent keyboard for sure. It's nothing that's gonna blow you away. This is the only color option you get. It's a membrane keyboard. There's no switches like this one has, but it's still a very good keyboard, and I would definitely buy it. If you guys are wondering if it's worth the $10, 100% is no. If this is more than like $20, I wouldn't get it. But you know, it's only a $10 keyboard, and I think it's really good for $10. So I definitely recommend it. Watch the Fortnite clip. My builds weren't the greatest, but they were definitely fluid. And for being a Five Below keyboard, this is a very good keyboard, and I definitely recommend it. Do it for this Five Below keyboard review. If you guys want me to review anything else from Five Below or any other products, just let me know. If you guys want any specific type of content on this channel, also let me know. I'm open to any suggestions. And yeah, that's gonna do it for the video. Peace.